Hi guys, welcome to my channel Working with Lemon. My name is Rohan Sharma. So guys, remember my before video how to make cloths, and now I'm going to teach you how to make a blade. Sorry guys, the mobile that just came down. So the first step to make a blade is you need like this shape aluminium foil paper. So you see it's an aluminium, and then the step is, I'll show you guys. Wait a minute, 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 minute. So guys, this thing is scary like hell. What happened to this thing? I'm sorry guys, wait a minute. I'm sorry guys, something just happened. Yeah. Wait, that's wrong. Oh my god! Okay, yeah guys, I've got it. And then I'll show you guys what am I doing. I'll show you back. So I made it like this. How I made it, this was the aluminium. This was the aluminium. I just fold it and I fold it back. You see it? Show you once more. The aluminium was like this. I did it like this. Alright guys. Oops. And the second step is, I'll show you. I'll show you guys. What's the next step? Show you guys. My goodness, it's very hard to make it. I just need to press it, but I'll start from the side. Yep, that's fine. And one more time. Then I cut it. Guys, but you people don't need to do any cutting thing. Let's cut this part because it's a little bit fat. See? I was having like this, then I did like this, and then I did like this. And afterwards you got like this, just press it more as hard as you can. So guys, just wait a minute. Sorry guys, not. Sorry guys. Just press it as hard as you can. See guys, here I'm just doing it. And right now it's ready. Just a little bit cutting. From this side. But guys, you don't need to do any cutting, so please don't do anything. Just a bit from here and a bit from here. Here guys, we've got a blade over here. If you just see, it could cut your skin, and if you just try to do it, it could even cut a paper. It does not cut anything. I'm sorry guys, it's not a real blade. which is harder to read. So guys, subscribe my channel, like the video, and then share it, and say me in the comment section how was my video. Wait a minute guys, don't go. I am just doing something. Okay, go guys. Yalla habibi. Bye guys, see you later. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe please. I only have 28 subscribers. Just give me 30 at least. Bye guys.